Well, this video is for anyone who's got a General Motors vehicle with a 4L60E automatic transmission, who's experiencing a hard shift or a delayed shift. Most of the time it's first to second gear, although it can occur in the higher gears too. And it could be that the problem is nothing to do with your transmission at all, but is the throttle position sensor. This was less than $4 including shipping for a new one. It took me about 20 minutes to replace. Way easier and cheaper than anything on an automatic transmission. But this completely remedied my problem and made it so the transmission shifts like a new truck. And the problem I was having is this is it's a 96 Blazer 4.3 with a 4L60E, but they put this transmission in trucks with a 5.0, 5.7, probably a 4.8, probably the 5.32, I'm not sure. Pretty much it was the automatic transmission from the early 90s up until I think around 2010. Maybe they still use it, I'm not sure. But the E in 4L60E stands for electronic. And in the olden days, you would have two throttle cables, one going from your pedal to the throttle body, and then another one on the throttle body that goes from there to your transmission. And the way it would work is it was just a mechanical cable linkage, and as you open the throttle, it would open a valve on the transmission. So idea being, if you were giving it a lot of throttle, a lot of gas, it would shift harder, shift later. But if you're giving it, not a lot of gas, it's going to shift softer, shift at a lower speed. That's the idea behind it. But these sensors go bad, or it can go bad partially. So the issue my truck was having is it would just slam the first to second upshift, just slam it. It would do it at high RPM, and the truck would, you'd be giving it basically no throttle, but the truck would, jump on you as it would shift. And I did this for years, about 4 years. And like I said, it's a piece of crap truck. I'm not about to take the transmission out. And beyond just servicing it, there's not a whole lot you can do, except for this. So I bought this for $4 including shipping, really cheap. This is the old one, but a replacement one from China. It's right on the throttle body, two screws to get it out. Gotta take some hoses and stuff out of the way, but quick easy fix. Put it in, reconnected my battery, and the transmission shifts flawless now. So if you're having hard shifting in your General Motors truck with the 4L60E, or probably other transmissions too, but you may have nothing wrong with your transmission at all, maybe this. So before you shell out $1,000 for a new transmission or a transmission rebuild, 100%, I would say, even if your symptoms are different, put a new one of these guys in. Cost you nothing, may make the transmission run, work like new again. Thanks for watching.